You wake up, you glance at your phone. 5 minutes in, you're already behind. Ever feel like no matter how hard you try, your day just drifts? That's because your brain isn't wired for chaos. It's wired for structure. And what you do in those first 30 minutes can make or break your entire day. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share 5 morning habits that don't just make you productive. They rewire your brain for success. Stick around because number 5 will surprise you, and it's the one most people skip. Let's begin. Habit 1, hydrate and prime your brain. Imagine waking up and your brain still feels foggy. That's because overnight, your body lost water. Your brain, which is 75% water, functions worse when dehydrated. So, drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up. Before you touch your phone, before you open your laptop, hydrate. This simple act wakes your system up and tells your brain, we're ready. It's not glamorous, it's not complicated, but it's powerful. Because that single glass of water starts your brain's engine for the day. Habit 2, natural light and movement. Now that you're awake, get your body involved. Step outside or open your blinds. Natural light in the first 10 minutes resets your body's internal clock. Then move. You don't need a full gym session, just 5 to 10 minutes. Stretch, walk, or do light exercise. Movement boosts blood flow, releases dopamine, and shifts your brain from night mode to day mode. And that shift changes everything. Instead of dragging through your morning, you'll start leaning into it. Habit 3, gratitude and intention. Most people wake up and react. You're going to choose. Take 3 minutes. Write down one thing you're grateful for. One big task you'll do today, your most important task. And one affirmation, I will. Gratitude lowers stress. A single clear task prevents overwhelm, and intention gives direction. You'll stop asking what's urgent and start asking what matters. That small mindset shift rewires your brain from distraction to direction. Habit 4, digital detox in the first hour. Here's where most people fail. The phone buzzes, notifications, social media, 5 minutes turn into 30. Research shows that checking your phone right after waking up destroys your focus for the entire morning. So no phone for the first 30 to 60 minutes. Use that time for yourself, for your habits, your clarity, your mind. Give your brain space before it's hijacked by the world. Because when you start your day with peace instead of panic, you win. Habit 5, power. Start with one big task. Now that your brain and body are primed, it's time to act. Pick one big task. The one thing that, if you complete it, will make your day a win. Do it in the first hour, no distractions, no social media, no busy work. This is how high performers start their mornings. Not with chaos, but with clarity. And when you make progress first thing in the morning, your brain rewards you with dopamine. That builds momentum, and momentum builds success. So there you have it. 5 morning habits that rewire your brain for success. 1, hydrate and prime. 2, natural light and movement. 3, gratitude and intention. 4, digital detox. 5, power start with one big task. Try this for the next 21 days. Watch your energy, your focus, and your results change. Because it's not about doing more. It's about rewiring how you operate. Your mornings are a reflection of your mindset. And when you control your mornings, you control your life.